Mixing 402 cubic inches of big block might with a sturdy chassis, a tough turbo-hydromatic 3-speed, and show-stopping aesthetics, this stunning 72 Chevrolet C10 is worthy of every gearhead's full attention. Fully sorted and ready to roll, this super cool Chevy is the beneficiary of a detailed frame-off restoration that presents very well. Under the truck's deep two-stage, an incredibly straight fuselage hangs solid panels that, with the exception of the aforementioned restoration, appear to have led a quiet, drama-free existence. And that body's combination of excellent reflections and Kansas flat surfaces suggest many labor-intensive hours were spent exacting top-notch finish work. Open the doors and you'll reveal a tasteful cockpit that's classy in all of the right ways. Fresh black vinyl joins houndstooth cloth to span a broad bench seat. A body-matched dash hangs factory-spec gauges beside cool air conditioning and modern direct-fit audio. And attractive wood grain and plush carpeting complement a reproduction rally wheel. Lift the glossy hood and you'll find 402 cubic inches of correct Chevrolet big block that was painted and fully detailed during the truck's thorough restoration. And a trusty turbo-hydromatic 403-speed spins a 12-bolt axle finished with 308 gears in an open differential. Combining top-notch craftsmanship with proven mechanicals, this C10 presents the rare opportunity to land a truly timeless classic that easily doubles as a well-sorted road warrior. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.